friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Queso Fresco dip. For this easy recipe, we need a Queso Fresco. This is 10 ounce. We also need Mexican sour cream, a lime, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, or you can use freshly squeezed garlic instead. So for this recipe, we're using a food processor. And Queso Fresco dip is a cold dip, so you don't need to cook anything. We're just going to use the food processor to process everything together and turn it into a dip. So let me open up a package of Queso Fresco. I'm going to chop it into big pieces just so it's easier to process with a food processor. And now I'm going to add it to the food processor. So we get a food processor fitted with a steel blade. And I'm going to add Queso Fresco and pulse it so it gets crumbled, and we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So just pulse it a few times. So now you see it's crumbled, and we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to use 1 cup of Mexican sour cream, and you can also use regular sour cream as you want. And add that to the food processor. And I'm going to cut and squeeze 1 lime. Just cut it into pieces so it's easier to squeeze, and then squeeze lime juice to add to our dip. And now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One-eighth teaspoon of pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add minced garlic if you'd like. And now I'm going to process everything together until it's combined and smooth. So just turn on the food processor. And now our queso dip is ready. See how easy it was? It looks amazing. Now let me just transfer it out of the food processor into a bowl. Perfect. Super easy queso fresco dip. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So delicious. It tastes so fresh, so good. You're going to love this dip. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!